Imagine earning an extra $10,000 a month, not from some complicated new hustle, but by using artificial intelligence to create beautiful art that people are desperate to buy. What if I told you that you could start this side business today with almost zero initial investment, right from your living room? Well, stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how people are using a simple AI tool called Midjourney to build six-figure print-on-demand empires. This isn't just theory. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from generating your first piece of art to listing it on a real product and making your first sale. This is the ultimate guide to turning AI art into real cash. So, what is this magic combination of Midjourney and print-on-demand? Let's break it down. Midjourney is an incredible AI art generator. You simply type a description of an image you want to create. We call these prompts. And within seconds, the AI generates stunning, unique artwork for you. You don't need any artistic skill. If you can describe it, Midjourney can create it. Now, pair that with print-on-demand, or POD. This is a business model where you partner with a company like Printify or Printful. You upload your designs onto their products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, you name it. When a customer buys one of your products from your online store, say on Etsy or Shopify, the pod company automatically prints your design on the item, packs it, and ships it directly to the customer. You never have to touch any inventory, handle shipping, or buy expensive printing equipment. You just create the designs, list the products, and collect the profits. It's the perfect low-risk, high-reward business model for the digital age. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but it also sounds too good to be true. If it's so easy, isn't everyone doing it? And that's a valid point. The market is definitely getting more competitive. The biggest problem many aspiring AI artists face is creating designs that actually sell. It's easy to make a cool-looking image with Midjourney, but it's much harder to create something that a customer will actually pull out their credit card for. People get stuck in a cycle of generating hundreds of random images, throwing them on a t-shirt, and then wondering why they're not getting any sales. They struggle with finding a profitable niche, understanding what customers are actively searching for, and creating designs that stand out from the sea of generic AI art. They waste time and get discouraged when their Etsy shop sits empty. The truth is, success isn't just about generating art. It's about generating the right art for the audience. It's about strategy, and that's where our solution comes in. We're going to solve this problem by focusing on a three-part strategy: niche, prompt, and product. First, niche. Instead of trying to sell to everyone, we need to find a specific group of passionate buyers. Think beyond just cat shirts. How about vintage-style posters for black cat owners who love reading? Or minimalist line art mugs for coffee-loving software developers? The more specific your niche, the less competition you'll have and the more targeted your designs will be. A great way to find these niches is by using market research tools like eRank, or by simply browsing Etsy and looking for popular shops and listings with lots of reviews. See what's already working and think about how you can create something unique within that space. For example, if you see that cottagecore designs are popular, don't just copy them. Think about a sub-niche like dark cottagecore or cottagecore for gardeners. Once you have your niche, it's time for part 2, the prompt. This is where the magic happens in Midjourney. Your prompt is everything. A weak prompt, like a dog on a t-shirt, will give you a generic, uninspired image. But a powerful, detailed prompt will give you a masterpiece. Let us craft one together for our niche. Vintage-style poster for black cat owners who love reading. A good prompt might be a whimsical illustration of a sleek black cat sleeping on a stack of old leather-bound books in the style of a 1920s storybook art. Muted color palette, soft lighting, detailed textures, clean white background. See the difference? We've included the subject, the style, the color scheme, the lighting, and even the background. This level of detail tells the AI exactly what you want. My pro tip is to always add clean white background or isolated on white to your prompts. This makes it super easy to remove the background later, so your design looks clean on any product. Experiment with different styles like sticker design, watercolor, pixel art, or psychedelic art to see what resonates with your niche. After you generate a few amazing images in Midjourney, you need to upscale them to make sure they're high resolution for printing. Midjourney has a built-in upscaler that works great. Once upscaled, you'll download the image. It will likely have a background, so we'll use a free tool like Canva or Photopea to remove it. This is a crucial step for most products like t-shirts and mugs. Now we have our beautiful, high-quality, background-free design file. It's time for the final part of our strategy, product. We'll head over to a print-on-demand provider like Printify. It's free to sign up. Once inside, you can browse their massive catalog. Let's choose a classic unisex t-shirt. You'll upload your design, place it on the shirt mock-up, adjust the size and position, and that's it. Printify will generate realistic-looking product photos for you. Now, how do you actually sell it? Printify integrates directly with e-commerce platforms like Etsy. With a few clicks, you can connect your Printify account to a new Etsy shop. When you create your product in Printify, you can push it directly to your Etsy store, automatically creating the listing for you. The final critical step is to write a compelling title, description, and tags for your Etsy listing. Don't just write cat shirt. Use the keywords your niche audience is searching for. For our example, a great title would be Black Cat Book Lover Shirt, Vintage Librarian Gift, Dark Academia Aesthetic Tee, Bookish Cat T-shirt. We're hitting all the keywords. Your description should tell a story and highlight the quality. Your tags should include every possible search term someone might use. This is how customers will find you. When an order comes in on Etsy, Printify gets notified. They print and ship the shirt, and you get paid. The profit is the selling price minus the cost of the shirt and shipping from Printify. It's that simple. To recap, the path to $10,000 a month with AI art is not a fantasy. It's a strategic process. You start by finding a passionate, underserved niche. Then you use Midjourney to craft highly detailed, professional prompts that bring your unique ideas to life. You prepare your design file by upscaling and removing the background. You partner with a print-on-demand service like Printify to place your design on a quality product. And finally, you list it on a marketplace like Etsy using powerful keyword-rich titles and descriptions to attract your ideal customers. The key is to rinse and repeat this process. Test new niches, refine your prompting skills, and build a catalog of amazing products. It takes consistency and a willingness to learn, but the tools are here, and the opportunity is massive. You have the blueprint. Now it's time to start building. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has inspired you and given you the confidence to start your own AI-powered print-on-demand business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And for more deep dives into making money with AI, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your first Midjourney creation, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.